How to turn on or off group messages notification on Skype mobile. Hello guys, today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off or on group messages notifications on Skype mobile. First we're gonna do is go to Skype and let's go back. First click this one on your profile and then click this one, settings, and now this one, notifications, and then click configure notifications, and now all you need to do just click here, and as you see group messages has been turned off, and click on it again if you want to turn it on, and then just go back and it will be saved. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.